Skil 4-in-1 Multi-Sander. This multi-sander allows you to tackle a wide variety of jobs, from sanding large surfaces and corners to sanding even the most hard-to-reach areas. Supplied with extra attachments for sanding in narrow spaces and a unique flexible attachment that adapts to all kinds of round shapes, this powerful 160 watts multi-sander handles your sanding jobs with ease. And changing these attachments is also very easy thanks to the click system, which doesn't require any special tools or keys. Southwire 6-in-1 heavy-duty nut driver. BOSCH Deluxe Router Edge Guide. The router guide quickly and easily converts into circle guide for making arcs and circles up to 32-inch in diameter. TrueUp Wall Hangers. TrueUp is a patented exclusive heavy-duty wall hanging solution that offers easy, damage-free application and removal. Bring life to your blank wall spaces and hang your decorations with ease. Our TrueUp hanging system can be used as picture hanging strips without nails, tools, or hardware. This TrueUp is designed for long-lasting durability and reusability. Keep your picture frames, canvases, and clocks secured on your wall with our flexible wall hangers without nails. Our picture hanger has a weight capacity of 8 pounds and is thoroughly tested for durability. CAMWAY's Feeler Gauge. Feeler Gauge Set. Straight feeler gauge with 32 pieces of blades and a 16-piece blades offset valve bent feeler gauge. Dual marked metric and imperial. The specification of every blade was clearly marked on the surface with laser technology so that you could easy identification the feeler and choose the suitable one conveniently. EZARC Carbide Hole Cutter. Industrial-grade metal drilling hole cutter, more than 10 times longer life than a bimetal hole saw on hardened metal drilling. It has an extremely long lifetime and no teeth breakage for any tough job with high-end tungsten carbide technology. It provides fast and precise cuts into stainless steel, sheet metal, cast iron, mild steel, aluminum, and FRP smaller than 5 mm. Skil Electric Scraper. Easily remove paint, putty, tile joints, flooring, hard foam residue, plaster, gypsum, adhesives, and more with the Skil 7710 electric scraper. Have you recently removed your carpet, and do you now have a hard time getting rid of the adhesive? Or do you want to get rid of excess paint and mortar without spending a lot of time doing this by hand? Then the Skil 7710 electric scraper is the ideal tool for the job. WEICON Round Cable Stripper. The round cable stripper with a rounded tool head is adapted to modern geometry, smooth running, space-saving, and conveniently stripping all common round cables and damp-proof cables. The cable stripper lies well and safely in the duct. The cable insulator lies well and securely in the hand, enabling even stripping, flush, precise stripping even in deeper cavity wall sockets. Gutter Sense Gutter Cleaning Tool. Cleaning a gutter with your bare hands can cause painful scratches and cuts, and climbing a ladder to reach second-story gutters is just asking for trouble. Instead, keep your hands unscathed and your feet on the ground by using Gutter Sense, the easy-to-use rain gutter cleaning device. This clever gutter cleaner tool features large polycarbonate tongues that will grab 14 of leaves or pine needles from flat bottom gutters when you pull on the 12 feet long braided rope included. Then just dump the debris in a trash bag or compost pile. You'll need to add your own threaded broom handle or extension pole to this gutter cleaning device. Stair Stringers Cutting Layout Tool. WolfCraft Depth Stop Set. The depth stop set from WolfCraft enables you to obtain precise drill holes at the preset drilling depth. The set contains 3 depth stops in dias 6, 8, and 10 mm, which are compatible with all commercially available wood twist drill bits in the matching diameters. The Allen keys applied enables you to obtain the desired drilling depth with millimeter precision. They can be mounted on the drill bit quickly, simply, and permanently, while their special geometry will prevent skewing. After you have set the drilling depth once, you will be able to create a series of depth-restricted holes with millimeter precision on the drill bit. Freeman Pneumatic Flooring Nailer and Stapler. This versatile 3-in-1 flooring nailer drives 3 types of fasteners without having to change the magazine: T-cleats, L-cleats, and staples. It features interchangeable base plates for stability and protection against scratches to finished floor surfaces. This nailer features a durable and lightweight aluminum body, a long reach handle with a padded grip, and a one-piece heat-treated drive blade of hardened steel. It comes with a carrying case, a long-reach fiberglass mallet with a padded grip, and adjustment tools. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.